In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sidebar in Google Sites step by step. If you're building a professional website and want a cleaner, distraction-free design, this guide will make the process super simple. So let's get started. When you create a site in Google Sites, the sidebar navigation automatically appears on the left-hand side. This is helpful for visitors, but sometimes you may want a more minimal layout without that extra menu. To control what shows up there, you'll need to adjust the navigation settings for each page. Here's how. First, open your site in Google Sites and head over to the Pages panel on the right-hand side. You'll see a list of all the pages currently included in your site's sidebar. Next to each page, click the three-dot menu. From that drop-down, select Hide from Navigation. Doing this removes that page from the sidebar instantly. Now, one important thing to note, your homepage cannot be hidden this way. It will always remain visible as the main entry point. But for every other page, you can repeat the same steps until your sidebar is completely cleared out, or just leave only the ones you want visible. And that's it. You've successfully removed the sidebar in Google Sites. With these simple changes, your site will look cleaner, more professional, much easier for visitors to navigate. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to try it out on your own site today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.